Hello, I'm Abib, Assistant Teacher of LPS UTTARA DHAKA. Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are very well with your family by the grace of the Almighty Creator. I'm also fine by His grace. Dear students, since our school is closed because of novel coronavirus COVID-19, that's why LPS Authority is providing you online classes. Today, I will deliver our class lecture on Chapter 10 from the textbook Bangladesh and Global Studies. Look at the title of the Chapter 10. The title is Democratic Attitude. If we want to understand this chapter properly, we have to understand what is democratic attitude, and before that, we have to know uh, democratic comes from democracy. A democracy থেকে I will describe what is democracy. Taking decision based on the opinion of majority students is called democracy. And lesson one, come to the lesson one, school. That means how we can practice democracy at school. আমরা বিদ্যালয়ে কিভাবে গণতন্ত্র চর্চা করব, all these matters is described here. Dear friends, in lesson one you will get an important short question. What is democratic attitude? Fourth sentence of the first passage is your answer. Listen me. To respect others' opinion and taking decision based on the opinion of majority people is called democratic attitude. There is another important broad question: how we can practice democracy at school. বিদ্যালয়ে আমরা কিভাবে গণতন্ত্র চর্চা করতে পারবো? We can practice democracy at school maintaining the following matters: decorating the classroom. The location: if we decorate our classroom, how we decorate our classroom, what type of color, what type of color, we use all this decision based on of majority students. Arrange competition: what type of sport will be included in sports competition decided based on the opinion of majority students. Last point, electing. When our form teacher or when our class teacher will elect a class captain for our class based on the opinion of our majority students, then it is called practicing democracy, electing class captain. যে লাস্ট পয়েন্ট যেটা বলেছি সেটি হচ্ছে যে ক্লাসে কিভাবে চর্চা করব, যদি কক্ষে ছাত্রছাত্রীর মতামতের ভিত্তিতে ক্যাপ্টেন নির্বাচন হয় তখন শ্রেণীকক্ষে চর্চা করব। To the second page, MCQ. What is democracy? Okay, MCQ. The answer is right answer is option C, governance of the people or rule of the people. There is another important short question from lesson one. What is democracy? Okay, taking decision based on the opinion, taking decision based on the opinion of majority people. That means a rule of people is called democracy. Come to the lesson two. Third page, come to the lesson 2. Lesson 2, democracy at home and working place. Democracy at home and working place. আমরা বাড়িতে এবং কর্মক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে গণতন্ত্র চর্চা করব? There is an important broad question: how we can practice democracy at home. আমরা কিভাবে বাড়িতে গণতন্ত্র চর্চা করব? Answer, come to the answer. We can practice democracy at home maintaining the following matters. First one, food item for festival. Second one, event for festival. Last one, decorating house, etc. Okay, on a special occasion, what type of food item we can arrange for the festival, it will be decided based on the opinion of majority students. What type of events will be included in our festival, it will be decided based on the majority family members. How we can last one, decorating house, how we can decorate our house, it will be decided based on the opinion of majority students. There is another important broad question: how we can practice democracy at working place. We will learn it in our classroom. In the last, there is an important short question: what are the fields of practicing democracy? Okay, the fields of practicing democracy are school, home, playground, working place, etc. জি, আমরা কোথায় কোথায় গণতন্ত্র চর্চা করতে পারি, প্রশ্নটি ছিল এটি। আর উত্তর হলো আমরা বাড়িতে, ওয়ার্ক, the students, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands again and again. You must abide by the rules of purity and cleanliness. Adorable students, pray for me. I also pray for you so that the Almighty Creator keeps us safe. Bye.